If you are over 60 and struggling with weak arms, flabby thighs, or a body that just doesn't feel as strong as it used to, it's not your fault. Muscle loss is a silent thief after 60. But here's the good news. There's a delicious and natural way to fight back, and it starts with cheese. Yes, you heard that right. These aren't just any cheeses. These are muscle rebuilding, energy restoring, strength giving cheeses that can help you feel like you are 30 again. In this video, you will discover 4 cheeses that restore strength naturally, the worst cheese to avoid after 60, how to eat them daily for muscle repair, balance, and energy. Let's rebuild your body starting today. Before we start, take a few seconds to like the video, subscribe to Green Health channel, and turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified anytime a new video is uploaded. Let's start with a reality many seniors face silently: muscle loss. You may notice it when you are struggling to carry groceries, feeling too weak to climb stairs, or seeing flabby arms where strength once lived. This isn't just old age, it's a medical condition called sarcopenia, and it starts quietly from your late 50s. Each year after 60, your body can lose up to 8% of its muscle mass if not supported. And this doesn't just mean looking weak, it also means fatigue, poor balance, slow healing, and a greater risk of falls and fractures. But there is a silver lining: your body still wants to heal, it just needs the right support. And cheese may be one of the most overlooked allies in your kitchen. Cheese is rich in high quality protein, especially the two most important kinds your muscles love: whey protein, fast acting, great for quick repair; casein protein, slow digesting, perfect for long term rebuilding. But that's not all. The natural fats, vitamins, and minerals in certain cheeses help build your muscles, strengthen your bones, support hormone health, and keep you energized and full longer. But not all cheeses are created equal. Some are muscle builders, others are muscle stealers. Let's show you the right ones to bring your strength back. 1. Cottage cheese, the silent muscle builder. Cottage cheese isn't flashy, but it's a powerhouse for muscle repair. It contains casein, a slow digesting protein that feeds your muscle throughout the night. That's why many athletes take it before bed. But what makes it extra special for seniors? It's low in fat, easy to digest, rich in leucine, a key amino acid for muscle growth, and has calcium to protect your bones while you rebuild. This cheese can help you wake up stronger, not weaker, a quiet companion in your healing journey. 2. Ricotta cheese is a gentle rebuilder. Ricotta is soft, creamy, and kind to your digestion, which makes it ideal for aging guts. It contains a blend of both whey and casein, giving you quick and sustained muscle repair. And unlike hard cheeses, it's easier to mix into meals like smoothies, oatmeal, soups, or even with fruit and honey. Plus, it offers a gentle boost of phosphorus and magnesium, both of which keep your muscles flexible and your nerves firing right. Parmesan, the power-dense strength cheese. Parmesan may be small in portion, but don't underestimate it. It's one of the highest protein cheeses per gram, and it comes loaded with B12, zinc, and calcium, all critical for muscle and nerve health. Just 2 tablespoons can add protein to your meals, flavor without extra salt, strength boosting nutrients. Use it on soups, veggies, grains, and feel the difference over time. 4. Aged cheddar, the bone muscle combo cheese. Aged cheddar does more than taste great. It's rich in vitamin K2, a rare nutrient that helps send calcium to your bones instead of your arteries. This helps your bones stay strong, joints stay flexible, and your muscles move with less effort. Pair it with an apple or whole grain crackers, and you've got a balanced, satisfying snack that works with your body, not against it. Knowing the right cheese is just the first step. The key is how you eat them and how often. Here is a gentle guide. Morning boost. Add ricotta or cottage cheese to oatmeal or smoothies for a protein-packed breakfast. For midday snack, enjoy a cube of aged cheddar with fruits or sprinkle parmesan on roasted veggies. For evening recovery, have a small bowl of cottage cheese before bed. It fuels overnight muscle repair while you sleep. While on the go, make small cheese wraps with cucumber or use ricotta as a spread on whole grain toast. But be careful, avoid processed cheeses like pre-sliced cheese food or spreadable cheese in plastic tubs. These are filled with preservatives, excess salt, and synthetic fats, and they weaken your body over time. Instead, go for fresh, natural, and aged cheeses from reputable sources. Your muscles and bones will thank you. Here's how to enjoy these cheeses for maximum benefit. Add cottage or ricotta to breakfast bowls. Sprinkle parmesan on soups, veggies, or grains. Enjoy a small cube of cheddar with fruit or whole grain crackers. Blend ricotta into smoothies or mashed potatoes. Avoid ultra-processed cheese slices. They are high in chemicals, low in nutrition, and work against your muscle goals. Cheese equals to protein plus calcium plus bioavailable nutrients. Helps reverse age-related muscle loss, feeds your strength, balance and energy. And yes, the right cheese can help you feel like you again. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural health tips, and share this with a parent or grandparent you love. Tell us in the comments which cheese will you start with this week. Thank you for watching to this time. I really do appreciate you. I hope to see you in the next one. Remember, green health cares.